Hey, what's up traders? Welcome to another trade breakdown. This is going to be about a Euro CLS model number 1, which has made more than 5,400. And again, as usually, we will break it down completely and I will explain you why we have entered around here, which was a 1.15338, as you can see on our entries, right? And why we exited exactly down here on that range low around a 1.14667. And again, as usually, this is not a channel where we just saying something in a hindsight or showing off. This is something what has been predicted before the fact here on a Tradingview. You can find it on my Tradingview, link is below the video, and this is how it has played out. So this is real, this is what we're doing in my Discord and in my academy, where I'm teaching the traders exactly this method, how to do it by themselves, and they are doing it. So it's amazing. And again, I'm not gonna be talking too much or saying we did it here or there. I will completely explain it to you. So let me delete everything in here and we start from a scratch right now, and I will bring you the complete logic of this trade. So let me take it back to the weekly, but first let me put a replay here because I need to remember basically where was it, right? So I find it on a chart. So let me take you to the weekly now. And on a weekly, we basically are following a price action, right? So we know that the price will most likely go lower into where? Into this. And how do we know it, right? So it is important to go higher time frame, and it's going to be in this case actually a 3 months. So let me take you to the 3 months range. Looks big, but this is where the trends are starting, right? So let me show you. This is a CLS range, manipulated, price closing inside, and where we going? We are most likely going to a 50% of that range, right? As usual. So we have our bias for being bearish. Now let me drop to the weekly, and on a weekly, we're basically seeing this. So expecting price to going lower, what I'm going to do here, I'm definitely going to highlight this, right? These gaps are always a level. Now I will go to the daily and I will be tracking the dealing range, right? So what I have to do is basically to measure my dealing range. It's going to be from a level where the liquidity was taken, which is here, right? So from here to here, I will be measuring a dealing range. So let me drop it down here, basically using a fib, and dealing range is nothing else than just a 50%, right? So what we have right now at this moment, where we can expect some kind of reaction. So look, we have basically this level, this high, where the liquidity was taken, and from where the price is simply dropping lower, right? And we have our potential target down here. Right, so what we want to do, we want to be, if the price will retrace into the premium, so above this 50%, and will be potentially reacting on this gap, we want to be trading it, right? But we don't need to be targeting all this, right? We need to be targeting just ranges, right? So let me drop, let me put more candles here. Right, and now we are seeing that the price is simply coming in here, right? I'm not sure if I will not miss it. Okay, I have missed it, right, with this back test. So anyway, the trade was here. So what we need to do, we need to draw it like this, right? And I'm sorry for that because it's difficult to do it with the back test exactly, as the time has already moved in here. Okay, so now we have our range, right? We are on the M30, and what I'm highlighting here also is these two equal lows, right? You remember, if you're watching my trade breakdowns, I'm quite often focused on this. And we need to be also focusing on the profile, what's actually happening in here, right? So basically, price is bearish, right? We have analyzed that the price should go lower into those equal lows, or at least below this range, right? Now we turned back into a premium, right? And now we got this daily range. What's happening in here? It's a consolidation, right? Consolidation, we're leaving two equal lows. So once we got some kind of false break in here and then return, there is a high chance that the price will reach this or even potentially this, right? That's what we've been betting on. This is, if you remember, this is how I predicted this here on a trading view before this has happened, right? So we had that manipulation, and then also price has created SMT. What is SMT? SMT is basically the divergence with the other highly correlated pair, right? So you can see right now, that's the moment, right? That's the moment where we should be entering the position. Because if here is basically a SMT, which is a divergence, that means that this is a manipulation, right? If we looked into the other highly correlated pair, which probably would be here, the dollar index, we can see that at this time, the dollar index was already making it a higher low. So if the dollar index is making higher low, it means that basically dollar is strong, right? And the euro was making a higher high, you see, right? So it is, if dollar is strong and making higher low, the euro should be making the lower high, but it wasn't. It was making the higher high. So that means that it's a kind of a manipulation. So we can enter. It's manipulated, right? Traders has entered longs. They will have a stop losses here, those stupid ones, right? Some of them will be below here, but we targeting this low, right? And this is what we have traded in here, right? And this is simply how it then goes, right? Pull back a little bit and then shot completely down to the down range, right? So that's how the trade worked. And this is what has happened in here. And this is how we've been able to make a profit with my whole group in a Discord where you are right now invited. And I will be happy to see you there. Bye-bye.